For tonight's homework we're looking at factorising, and this is the opposite of expanding. Okay, so for this one here you might be given some sort of algebraic expression. So let's say we'll have 4x minus 8, and the whole key here is you're trying to put this into brackets. Okay, so put into brackets is what factorising is. So it's the opposite. So what you tend to do here is, first of all, you look at what is common between the first part of the expression and the second part of the expression. And you'll notice here we've got a 4 and we've got a negative 8, and 4's go into both of those. And so what you're going to do is you're going to use that 4 and you're going to put that outside the bracket. And then you open up a bracket, because there's nothing else common between those two terms. There's an x in the first term, but there's no x's in the second term. So then you say, what if I'm going to go 4 times what equals 4x? Well, that'd be 4 times x, wouldn't it? And then I go 4 times what equals negative 8? Well, that would be negative 2. So what you're always trying to do here is to check that. You could always re-expand this expression out, and you'd end up with the same answer. Let's try another one. Let's say we've got 3x squared minus or plus, I don't know, 12x. And so here we're going to be looking at both the numbers and the letters. And so we see here we've got 3 and we've got x, and we've got 12 and we've got x. So what's common between those two particular terms? Well, the first thing is you've got a number here, you've got 3 and you've got 12. What's common between 3 and 12? Well, 3. So we put 3 down there. Now this time we've also got an x squared and an x. And the highest common factor between x squared and x is x. So we're going to put x outside the brackets, and then we open up the bracket. And we say 3x times what equals 3x squared? Well, that's going to be x, isn't it? Because 3x times x is 3x squared. And then we put the plus in because there's a plus there. And we say 3x times what equals 12x? Well, 3x times 4 equals 12x, and that would be your answer. So on the next page I'm going to give you 3 questions that I'd like you to do your answers for. The first question I'd like you to do is this one here, 9x minus 27. The second question I'd like you to do is this one here, 5mn minus 20m. And the third question I'd like you to do is 7x squared plus 21x. So write down the 3 answers to those and put them on the classroom task that I've set for you.